So I'm going to show you today how do I make fish, wooden fish from a block. I have a 4/4 block of sapele here. Drew a fish shape on it, side view and top view. Now I'm going to cut it up. So I taped those pieces I just cut off back on to the block, and now I can cut this profile. Okay, so now we're out of the bandsaw. We're ready to start cleaning it up. So I'm going to make note of a kind of a center line on the blank. Just kind of a reference point. It's kind of hard because it tapers. Just an idea. It's very helpful. Do the same thing in the bottom. So into the vise it goes with a block. You don't want to crack that tail. Block in there. Right down in. Tighten it up. And you're going to take a rasp. Basically clean it all off. Takes a little bit, but okay. So I have the fish here. I just cleaned it all up with the rasp. Basically, just taking the corners all the way off, and just rounding it off. And if you can see here, how I left the center line that I drew before. It really helps you keep just keeping track. So anyway, now we have this. Now I need to take away these parts here along the fins. So now that I have in the vise, I'm just going to start wasting away some material. You can see I'm kind of going the wrong grain direction, where a sharp tool really helps with that situation, or going the right way with the grain. What I'm going to do, let me go like this. Kind of going right up to that center line. We kind of want to cut it in at the body, create a line. See how I'm kind of creating that meeting of the fin to the body. Needs a little more fine work. Okay, so I took off some of this around the fins to make the body meet the fin, top and the bottom. And now I'm ready to start really cleaning it up and put in the gill and the fin up here. And what I'm going to use to start cleaning it up now is a cabinet scraper, which is just a thin piece of steel. One side has kind of a round, one side straight. If you don't know how to sharpen one of these or make one of these, you might want to check it out because they're super handy. So we'll put it back. Okay, so now I'm going to take this cabinet scraper and scrape off all the marks from the rasp. So I'm just going to go around the entire surface and remove all that stuff, because it's a lot faster to cut it away than to sand it away.